Oh, it started. It started.
Oh my God, how cool. Oh my God. What is it? What is it? It's a fan? Everything's blowing? Oh my God, can y'all see it? Okay, it's shish kebab, candles. Okay. Are we watching? Trash bag. A red trash bag, okay. Alright, yeah, this is a fan. What's going on here? Everything. Okay. This is so funny. Okay, that's like leaves blowing in the shadow. Everything is about wind right now. Sponges blowing. This gotta be the most funniest one, because what is going on?
The Pokemon one was way better.
Yeah, because what are we doing here? Just items blowing with wind. With a fan, maybe. No, the wind and fan. Oh, sorry. Alright. It's giving lackluster, y'all. Things are blowing in the wind. I just want to see what's the message they're going to give us at the end of all this. It's fans. Get you a fan. This one is not boring.
It's mad boring.
It's like fans. That's really all it is.
That's mad boring. The Pokemon one had looked lit.
Yeah, everybody was outside for that one. This one is very boring. It's just a fan. It's just a whole bunch of fans.
Marriott sponsored it. No. Did it?
No, that's always there. That one is always there, but I'm surprised they didn't like make those also. You see? They're missing two screens. Yeah, I'm annoyed at this.
Yeah, this is why. Like, fan? What's the message?
That's what I'm saying. Maybe there'll be a message at the end. I guess it's supposed to look cool, but...
Life will end? Why would my life end?
Oh, because you maybe the thing to slide.
Come on. Not now. Don't end it now. Come on.
Maybe go out of it and go back in.
How?
And then go back in.
No, it's going to still be there. I usually have this problem.
There it goes.